The HydraMaster Titan H20 truck mount is purpose-built for restoration and flood work. HydraMaster has designed and built this machine exclusively for the professional water damage restoration contractor. It has everything you need to remove water in a hurry, but it's 75% easier to operate than a traditional truck mount and requires 50% less maintenance. The Titan H20 has all the power you need for major flood work and water removal in a hurry. With the liquid-cooled 32.5 horsepower engine and over 400 plus CFM vac, there's more than enough power to handle extra long hose reaches, dual wands to achieve quick drying. The reliability and long-term dependability of the Kubota 32 horsepower liquid-cooled engine will allow you to operate your Titan H20 continuously during water extraction for years to come. All HydraMaster truck mounts are backed by the HydraMaster hassle-free ownership experience, the industry's very best warranty program. The Titan H20 is backed by an industry-best 2-year comprehensive parts and labor warranty.